Hey, what's up? So I'm going to show you some notes about thunks and how we can handle any error that might happen inside of them. So first thing, I will create a state, or sorry, an action called setStatus. And of course, I will pass this callback function to the action function. And this will accept the state and a payload. What I will do, state.status will be equal to the payload. And here, since I have this action and this actions object, and inside of it we will have all the actions from here, so I can dispatch from here any other thunk or any other normal action. So in my case, I will call the setStatus with loading. So when this thunk being executed, the status here will be loading, so I can show a spinner. When it's returned and we added all the posts, this will be success. But on failure, I will wrap this in a try catch. I'll put everything here, format it, and on error, I'll put this to failed. And the cool thing, if you don't care about the variable here, you can remove this, and that's it. So let's go to our Redux store, sorry, to our easy peasy state or store. Let's fetch the post. We see this start, this fetch post start. So easy peasy does really good job about this action types. So as you can see, add thunk or add action. If it's a thunk, this will be a thunk. If it's a normal action, this will be an action, which is very nice to have. And posts, this is the model that we are in. Then the name of the action or the thunk. So we have the fetch posts and start. This is when it's started, and actions will, or sorry, thunks will always dispatch these two actions when it's started, when it's finished, and that's it. But to handle errors, we added this try catch, so we can update the status here to failed, so we can maybe hide the spinner and show an error message. So let's just go over it. The first thing is the setStatus with loading, as you can see. So the action is setStatus, the type, and the payload is loading, and the state now we have a status of loading. Then we have add posts, the status still loading, which is from this line. We added all the posts to the list. Then we have setStatus with success, so it's now success. So let's put this into the UI. So first thing, I will go to the posts and I will make the appearance block, and I think it's primary, yeah, and the block, and yeah, I think that will be it. But what I will do, I will select from the posts the status. So status. So if status equal loading, we have this loading props. This will show a loading spinner if this is a true, and also disabled only if the status is loading. Format the code and let's take a look at it. But it's really fast, so let's try to simulate a delay. So what I'm going to do, success will happen after set timeout after maybe 3 seconds. So refresh. So click on this, as you can see, it's loading, then everything is done. So yeah, that's an easy way to show spinners while everything is loading by having this status key in your state. And this is how you handle errors and how you handle when this is finished and when it's got started by dispatching another action, as you can see. So yeah, I think we are starting to get the basics of it. So now what I'm going to do is to display the posts, then have a delete functionality, that we will also hook it up with a thunk, and yeah, it will be a little bit interesting. Yeah, I hope this was useful.